afternoon. As we look at our 13 classroom addition, you can see they're starting to put a roof on. We'll try to show you some different angles of that. Nice big windows in our new addition. And again, our new addition is attached off of by our 5th grade wing. Let's see if we could get another look at the roof from a different angle here. It's a little muddy out here today, so it's not quite as easy to walk around. You can see they're working on the roof from the inside there. You see the roof going in place over here. So lots of exciting things happening. So you can hear all this noise, and so can Mrs. Florek and I on the other side of the wall. They are tearing up our what used to be front lobby tile or terrazzo flooring, which is a lot of work. So when we look at the outside over here, you can see that they added a little wall section. That's part of the new office. So you see where part of the old office was, and now it's been extended out a bit. This is our front entrance, and they're all working. This part is called the mechanical penthouse, and that's where our heating and air units will be.